Some of you have probably guessed that the old professor is directing you to the Holocaust, or Shoah in Hebrew. How does one cover the Holocaust? Before your grandparents were born, I took a happy class in graduate school. It was a seminar called Holocaust/Hiroshima. The horrors of the Holocaust in Hiroshima were unprecedented in so many ways. I imagine you have learned some significant dynamics of the Holocaust. It happens to be the most researched event in human history. The Holocaust in some ways has become an industry, as one recent text describes it. The very term Holocaust comes from the Greek holocaustos, meaning a burnt offering to the gods. Interesting meaning when you think about it. How does one teach or describe what Shoah is succinctly? We do get the word genocide from the Holocaust. If I had to tell a child what the Holocaust was in a sentence or two, I would say something like, the systematic extermination of about 6 million Jews and other undesirables before and during World War II. On this slide is the German word Lebensraum, living room or space for the German people, one of the motivating reasons given for the extermination of the Jews. The Jews were considered Untermenschen, people of lesser value. Next to this term is the poster board for an extremely long documentary on the Holocaust called Shoah. In graduate school, we watched this haunting film lasting 4 to 5 hours. It was filmed in black and white, slow motion, with no sound. This documentary just slowly revealed the horror of this event. A few of you may have read a book called Night by Elie Wiesel in high school. Wiesel, who died a few years ago, was a Nobel Peace Prize winner who survived the Auschwitz concentration camp as a child. You might notice a small gif of the Zyklon B gas used to asphyxiate the inmates after being told they would be taken in for showers. There is a picture of one of a number of Holocaust museums that reflect a life ideal of Elie Wiesel concerning the Holocaust, namely, never forget. Lastly on this slide is an image of Sophie's Choice, a great movie that landed Meryl Streep her first Academy Award. Even though her character was not Jewish or Untermensch, because of the horrific nature of the Holocaust, she faced the choice of choosing which of her children would be spared from the ovens.